Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we will explore the world of interior design. In this video, we will showcase some of the most creative and functional bookshelf designs that will transform your space into a literally heaven. Whether you are a bookworm looking to organize your collection or a design enthusiast seeking inspiration, you will find something to love in our curated selection. From minimalistic floating shelves to modular design that doubles as room dividers, we have got ideas to suit every style and space. Get ready to reimagine your book storage with these innovative bookshelf designs. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more design inspiration videos.